Yeah, hello guys, welcome back. This is HumbleFx, and today we are talking about a different strategy. This is price action, and it is awesome. This is exact thing that you need to check out when taking trade using this strategy. Is very wonderful. So you don't want to miss out this strategy. If you want to get the full gist of this strategy, please watch this video to the very end, and we are going to testify about the efficacy and the effectiveness of this strategy. All right, let's get to the business of the day. All right, this channel is meant to bring to us strategies that we use to make money on the financial indices. All right, so if you are new to the channel, please you are advised to click on the subscribe button. All right, so click on the subscribe button, and also allow the bell notification, so that you get updates every time and each time I upload a new video to the channel. Right, you don't want to miss out. Now, this is the view we are having here. This is 1 hour time frame, and you see I'm in a trade currently, and I have a TP set. Even though that TP is for scalping, the TP you see there is a scalping TP. So we expect market to go down, but let us check also higher view of the chart. Let's draw trend line from the lower view, the old previous time market, and look at what we are having here. If we draw this trend line from the previous market chart, we are going to get this formation. I don't know why my line is just going off where it's supposed to be. Now you see, now we have this thing here that shows us that market just come to that market just come and touch the trend line and start to move upside. So if you are a trend line trader like we are, you should know that you should have taken my TP just hit. The first TP I took has hit right now. So this is actually not a long sell. If those that want to sell the market here now, we can sell it, and our take profit is going to be more. I just took my first take profit. Here is the next take profit here. This point is the next take profit. Yeah, you consider the levels in there. Let me show you the level I'm using to take that profit. Look at this place. Right, that place. Look also this level here, this thing here, and I don't know if you are seeing something there. Yeah, this level here is what I'm using to put my take profit. So once that is taken down, we can take what we call aggressive trade, and then leave it to be running. Like now, I will take entry right now. I will take entry. I want to take entry right now. So there's a spike, right? The spike happened. So here it should be your stop loss. Above here should be your stop loss. So that is if you want to swing it, but scalpers will not wait. Okay, here it should be your stop loss. If you are going to swing trade this market, that is going to be our stop loss, so that if it breaks out of the trend line, then we know that it is going up. The trend line, if it breaks this trend line that is there like this, we know it is going up. But now, those that scalping can scalping along this side, taking the first TP here. So when there is a breakout of this trend line here, this one, then we know that it is going further down. And once this one is broken, it is going long down. It is going very long downside. Yes, once this line here is taken out downside, what we expect is a very sharp movement downside. Even though there might be a retest, but we'll have to see a very drastic downside movement. You know, this boom has been buying all the way, and once that happens, where do we expect the TP to come? We expect this place as the TP. Here is the TP we are expecting, if only and only if that level is broken. So take note of these areas. So if that area is broken, then these should be your TP levels. These areas, these points I'm marking here is going to be your points of interest. should be your point of interest where you should take your first TP and all that. So we should be expecting the market to move down all the way like this. If there's a breakout of, remember what I said, if there's a breakout of this level, then this is the market movement we are expecting. If there's a breakout of this trend line, then this is what we are expecting to have. I know this movement is going to be massive, right? That's going to be a massive movement. So you want to take your time and watch this pair closely. Yes, watch this pair closely at this point. This is BOM 300. Watch it closely. All right, that is if you saw this video before it crossed downside or upside. Okay, so right now I'm going to take entry in this market. Let me see what's happening there. I'm going to take entry here. I'm going to take entry in this place, even though I will use smaller size. Yes, I'm going to take entry on this market. Right. Let's take entry there. Now I'll just enter the market. Let me enter with smaller size because I want to hold it for a long time. So now I'm taking this entry as aggressive trader. Yes, it's not yet time for him to take this long trade. Like I should wait for it to break out of this place. I'm going to take it as a long sell, but I want to trade as a aggressive trader. So here should here my stop loss, so that once it's from here break down, I'll be having profit. Those that are waiting for this breakout, before a breakout, I shall make some good profit before the breakout. Right, that is aggressive trading. Right, you trade with the first entry confirmation, which is on the trend line. This is the market come to the trend line here. So I entered. That is aggressive. Now those that will trade as a conscious traders, they wait for this one to cross the trend line. The one they wait, some will wait for it to come down here, they test, and they'll enter at this point to set down. But we that trade aggressively will take entry in our first entry. Once our first entry has met, we will take the entry and we believe it's going to go away. If it goes south, our stop loss, we have a tight stop loss. I see that stop loss here, which is not up to 100 pips. Yeah, so if we should go against me now and hit the TP, it's not up to $10. But if it goes down to down here, it will give me over $100 or maybe over $70 with this lot size. Right, so if you're watching this video and you see this pair, check it and if you see what is happening to it. All right, to join the trade if it crosses downside, or ignore if it is buying already. Okay, simple as that. So this strategy I just showed you now is very worth your time, and go ahead. If you practice these things now, if you practice it, then I believe you are going to make profit by yourself. Yes, you're going to make a lot of profit by yourself even without using indicators. Okay, you can make good profits by yourself and all that. So now we are already in profit. We are already in good profit right now. At least we are moved over 10 pips right now. Yes, we are moved 10 pips already. Simple as that. You see all my time frames now. Let's check this is 5 minutes time frame. If you want to scalp, remember, if you're a scalper, you want to check lower time frame to see where you might get a possible spike. Now this is my 5 minutes time frame, right? I'm seeing a possible spike that will happen. If this is a possible spike that if I draw these things, you see how it just played out. It just played out. You just see this is my trend channel. Now if price come down to my trend line, that is if price should come down like this to this trend line, a scalper should have exited, should exit. Yes, you should not wait for it to go below the trend line. If you're a scalper, you should be exiting your markets around this region, taking note of this place. All right, all this taking note of, you see it just spike now. taking note of all these places and the trend line as well. So this should be your stop loss, your take profit as a scalper. But you are swinging, you can leave your trade because you don't want to watch your trade all over the time. So that is why a scalper always check lower time frame to see possible spike zones. Like here now, you see we had a spike there. All right, we had a spike because this in the lower time frame here is 5 minutes time frame. We are seeing that a spike is going to happen around that point. So we want to be trading consciously as a scalper, but as a swinger, place your stop loss at the red line above and allow it to run. Either it take your profits or it take your stop loss. One thing must happen. That is it. All right, let me take out this is a little minor trend inside. You see now, that is a minor trend inside a major trend. We have the major trend as like this, bullish and bearish. Now we have the minor inside of it for scalpers to take effect on. Simple as that. All right guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, give me a subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification, and comment on the comment section if you want more of this type of video. All right, enjoy.